Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50S Gen 5 model. This is a front look of design. Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50S. Power button. Here you can see card reader, SD card reader, headphone jack, Type C USB port and two USB ports. You can see Hi-Fi. This is a front design. You can use vertical and horizontal. Both you can use. So top of this one you can put it monitor and then use. These are the backside connectivities: display port, HDMI and VGA, and 4 USB port, Ethernet port, and this is a power supply. It's a low profile card we can fix here, graphic card or any Ethernet card or extra cards we can fix. Kensington lock system, and this is a gripper up in the bottom. 4 grippers are there. So vertical and horizontal we can use this laptop, this PC. It's SFF. Here you can see Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50S Gen 5 series. Backside they are given the sticker. So let's open what are the upgrade option inside this PC. The two screws we need to remove. One is here and one is here. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more knowledge about the computers, laptop upgrade options. Please support me. Like this, you need to open the cover, and these are the upgrade option for graphic card and PC Express, for Wi-Fi card. And here you can see there is a chip for Wi-Fi, so empty place is there, so we can fix here. And this is a processor. There is no DVD inside, there is no DVD, empty place is there. And here you can see M.2 NVMe. Let's remove this one and then we will see the proper view. We can see the front cover you need to remove like this, and you need to lift. I think there is any screws for this one. Let's see, or it will come like this. One moment. To remove this metal part, there is a screws symbol mentioned here. So there are two screws are here. One is this side and one is this side. So these two screws we need to remove. This symbol they mention here to remove. So let's use the screwdriver. Remove this side screws to lift the metal cover. So these two screws are removed. So this is the metal plate will come up after removing the side of two screws. So this here you can see two memory slot and one M.2 MEME slot. They given only one M.2 MEME inside and two memory slot, and these are the for extra connection for a hard disk, SATA power and data also they given. So extra power serve, I think it's not there. So this is for hard disk and this is for the DVD. I think this is for DVD. So this is the internal design of the Neo 50S Gen 5 series. Let's see the memory speed. It comes with the 8 GB DDR5 5600. Here you can see DDR5 5600 8 GB Samsung. So this PC will support up to 32 GB. 16 you can add. You need to press little hard to fix the memory, so it will make sound, tick sound. Yeah, that's it. So it's locked here. This one locked and this one locked. Two locks are there. Yeah, this is the design. And let's see what are the power supply features. It's a 180 watts power supply. So this is features of the power supply. It's a slim power supply, and they given here speaker. You can see the speaker, and this is the internal design of this PC. Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50S Generation 5 model. So this is complete tutorial for small office user and basic user. What are the upgrade option inside this PC and what are the connectivities? Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.